What is up, everyone? So we have booked almost 1,08,570 rupees today with 3,600 quantities, which means we have booked almost 30 points in Banknifty in intraday. And also looking at the orders, we have bought 45,400 PE at 253 and 261 and a few average prices. And from there, we have booked almost 277, and our average was around 246.87. And yeah, well and good, we have booked almost 30 points. And right after me booking the profits, it has gone up to about 300 plus. And my initial target was 300. I was just keeping it open. My nominal target was 284, but I since Banknifty was making a very tight range movement, I didn't want to risk my capital for the day, so I booked at 1,08,000 rupees. So I jump right into the video to understand how the trade went, and yeah, jump right into the video. Good morning. So as you can see here, Bank Nifty has opened in a gap up today, and from there it tried to go up to fill up the gap, but unfortunately it didn't happen. And from there, it made a terrible fall towards the low of 45,373, and from there it again moved towards the upside. So uh, the orders that we have at 933, okay, around 933 is here, around this level. Since I saw that this candle was not engulfing and closing above the previous red candle, I've gone for a buy in 900 quantities. And then after 3 minutes, once this candle opened, I have gone for a buy with another 900 quantities, as you can see here. And once this top, Bank Nifty reached this top, I have gone for a buy with another 900 quantities. Then after some time, around 954, that is here, around this candle, I have gone for a buy in another 900 quantities, because I knew that looking at the previous uh, time, I could figure out that Bank Nifty has high chances to reverse from this level, and I have averaged it with another 900 quantities. So from there, Bank Nifty fell down to touch the level of 45,374, which has taken our PNL to almost more than 1 lakh rupees. But I was out for a tea and I couldn't book my profits. So once I came back, what I could see is a almost break even or a negative 20,000 to positive 30,000 is what Bank Nifty is fluctuating between. So we'll wait for some time. If this is not breaking above this, which means Bank Nifty is going to fall down again, which will take us to another lakh or 1.5 lakhs profit. So we'll wait for some time. We'll see how this goes, and then we'll plan on our exit. So this is how our PNL looks like, and this is the idea for now. So Bank Nifty until breaking above 45,570 to 600, our position is safe. So yeah, we'll keep this open. We'll see what is going to happen. And also our average is 246. Okay, 1 second. Our average is 246, and this has gone about 280. That is, it has gone up to about 283, which is actually a good thing. So we'll wait for some time. We'll see how this pans out, and then we'll plan on the exit. Yeah, let's see. And also looking at the open interest, we can see that an overall open interest is 45,500. As you know, 1,000, the multiples of 500 and 1,000 really acts as a crazy point for Bank Nifty. And now looking at the last 5 minutes, we can see that 45,400 has call OI built up more than put OI. And in the last 10 minutes, we can see that OI call OI is higher than 45,400. So in the last 5 minutes, there has been a shift which happened, and that's why Bank Nifty has moved towards the upside. So I'm still confident about the trade that I'm keeping on. I'm expecting Bank Nifty to break below today's low. Then after that, we will plan for the exit. So that's what I'm planning. Let's see what is going to happen. Uh, right, so we have kept our orders open at 284. We have 3,600 quantities, and as you can see here, it's trading around 268. Initially, my target was around 300, but I have shifted my target to 284. And at one point, it has touched 284 as well, but we have not booked our profits. So this is how our chart looks like. We'll see what's going to happen. Maybe in the next half an hour or 1 hour, we'll probably get our target hit, or else we will modify our target and we'll book a very nominal profit. So that's what I'm looking at for the time being. So yeah, that's all. Let's see how our target will be hitting. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Bank Nifty on touching 45, 340, not 340, 320, we'll have our target hit, is what I believe. So as you can see here, Bank Nifty is making a very slow, tight movement, and it is not crossing below 45, 335. So as you can see here, we have booked almost 1,08,570 rupees today in intraday, and I am done for the day because market is giving a very tight movement, and also I have modified my target multiple times. So yeah, right now it is going above our target, well and good. It's not a problem, but whatever we have booked is well and good for me. I have modified my target multiple times. If we look into the information, we can see that first I have put it at 300 because I just wanted all the orders to be open. So I have kept it at 300, and my realistic target was 284, and then I took it down to 279, and again I have put it to 277 because I wanted to wind up with the trade very soon. So that's why it happened this way. And also, yeah, we have booked almost 1,08,000 rupees, which is almost a decent amount of money. And also, let's see how much we have put in this trade. Okay, so we have had 8,88,000 rupees. So we have booked more than 10% of the trade. So yeah, this is actually a decent profit that we have made today. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and also we'd like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and all the videos in this channel are for educational purposes only. So from Tuesday onwards, I'll be posting videos on daily basis with proper analysis, and in order to keep the consistency is why I'm keeping I'm uploading videos even though I'm not satisfied. So yeah, thanks for watching the video again, and also yeah, stay tuned to our channel for proper learning series. Yeah.